Hey, what's up guys, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to install and download and install Paintnet. Just type in and go to the getpaint.net over here. You can see over here that you can download it from the Microsoft store, or you can download it for free over here. If you click this icon, just click it, and over here on the right side just click Paintnet, and you can now just click save. It's downloaded. Now just open it like this and drag this outside to your desktop. Okay, and now it's on the desktop. I'm sorry, it's extracting on my second window, so now just double click it, click continue, and it will download the paint and install it for you. Okay, now we click the custom and click next, and click agree, click next, and let's say we want to make a shortcut on a desktop and automatically check for updates, which is nice. Click next, and over here you can choose where to save your program. Click browse and choose where you want to save. I will save it in my C program files, and if I click finish, it will start the paint, and you can see it over here. Maximize, and you can now draw. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.